Hello, welcome to the lesson plan 4. In this session, I will explain what is called check and checkmate. Let's start. Check means when you attack the king is called check. Simply giving attack to the king is called check. Now see, this is queen check. Queen is giving check to the king, which means attack to the king. Okay. Now here they are. The question is to give check with rook. We have two options. One is rook goes to over here. We're attacking the king. So you call it check. The other option we have is this. Okay. Rook goes to g4, attack to the king. So rook is giving check to the king. I'll explain you what is the difference between check and checkmate. Knight goes to c7, attack to the king. What do you call it? Check. Okay. Other option was this here. Knight goes to f6. Yeah, two options. One is the f6 we have. The other one is knight goes to c7. Now here's the question, how to give check with bishop. Two options. One is bishop goes to a3. Okay, check to the king. Now other option was bishop goes to h6. Two options we have. And here I am choosing bishop to a3. So this is check with bishop. See, here's the question. What are the squares from which the white bishop can give check? Okay. Even pawn can give check to the king, opponent king. See. This f pawn goes to f7 square and attack, and it is attacking the king. You call it check. Okay. Simple attack to the king is called check. Now the question is like, they're asking to find the check. Bishop goes to over here. It is giving check. Okay. Check with the rook. Rook goes to f8. Check to the king. Hope you all understood the meaning of check. Okay, here if you play with the black, bishop into d4 is check. If you play with the black, if you play with the white, two options. One is bishop can go over here. This other option was knight can go to f6. Check. Rook cannot give check. Why? Because the rook is under pin. In the coming session, I will explain you what is called pin. So, just to give a hint, pin is something like the piece gets locked. See, it cannot move here because check is coming to the king. If it moves, check will fall to the king. So it's illegal to move this because it is pinned. It got locked. Now let's go to checkmate. So in the check is simply attack to the king, whereas checkmate, all the checks will come together and king cannot escape. Black king can't take this because there is a defender. There is protecting piece. Bishop is protecting. All the checks coming together. Check and mate. Okay. Here, the queen is the attacker piece and the bishop is the defender piece. So wherever he moves, check is coming to the king. So and black king also cannot capture the queen because there is bishop defender. So whenever defender is there, it's not allowed. The black cannot capture this. That is illegal because white queen is having defender here. Now in this position, they're asking to checkmate with the black. Queen goes to b4, bishop protects queen. Okay, queen goes to b4, bishop protects queen. Now see, queen is giving check everywhere. See, king can't go anywhere, and it also can't capture the queen because there is defender. So this is the attacker piece, this is the defender piece. Now if we discuss about in this position, the checkmate idea. Queen goes to g5, knight defends queen, checkmate. Okay, all check is coming everywhere. Okay, all the checks coming together, checkmate. Likewise, queen comes to here, the defender piece is pawn here. Pawn defense queen. Okay, checkmate. This one. This is called pawn promotion. What is pawn promotion? This, as I told you, second row belongs to white, right? Whenever this white pawn reaches to the last row, the pawn can be promoted into, you'll have four choice. See, look at here. From second row, this white pawn is going to the opponent court. That is this last row. Now this a pawn takes, a pawn goes to b8. A pawn takes bishop. Now see, he has four choice. Okay. So take queen, knight defends queen, checkmate. Pawn promotion means your pawn goes to the opponent last row. Then pawn will have four choice: queen, knight, rook, bishop. You can pick any one of the pieces. Okay, this one. Queen into d7, bishop protects queen, checkmate. So in this example, queen into h2, bishop protects queen. This is also a puzzle called as one more checkmates or mate in one. So as beginners, you should do a lot of mate in one puzzles. On this position, white to move checkmate. Generally, the quickly seen answer is this, but this is a blunder. Why? Because knight will take. So what is the right answer here? Queen goes to b7. Rook protects queen, checkmate. Whereas you play queen to b8, this knight will take. So it's a mistake, blunder. So queen to b7 is the right answer. Attacker piece is queen, defender piece is rook. Okay, this is a famous example. Here rook is controlling B column. Now just move the queen to A8. What happens? The queen will control the A column, A file. See, queen is attacking the king, right? First of all, it's a check. Now king can't escape check. Wherever it moves, check is coming. So check and mate. Same idea. Queen is controlling G column. Play the rook to H6. Now rook is controlling H column. Now see, check is coming to the king and king can't escape anywhere. Wherever it moves, check is coming. So checkmate. So this is the introduction about check and checkmate, guys. Thanks for listening.